Hello guys, what's up? This is Rishabh Lohiya and I'm going to review a movie which I watched 9 to 10 years ago, Captain America the First Avenger. So the movie was an action-packed thriller which is a must-watch. You guys must watch it. And the movie actually revolves around a character which is Captain America, which was played by Chris Evans, aka Steve Rogers. So the box office collection of the movie was 370.6 million and the IMDb rating was 6.8. So I think that IMDb rating was a bit biased towards the movie. It was produced and directed by Joe Brothers, and which has a cinematic universe, MCU, Marvel Cinematic Universe. So now comes the main story of the movie, which is uh, the story actually revolves around the plot of the World War II. The movie was shooted, I think, in 2010, and it was depicting a story of Adolf Hitler and the Allied powers at that time during the early 1940s to the mid 1940s. So our hero, aka Steve Rogers, is trying his best to get selected in the US military, but due to his short height and weak body stature, you can say, he was not able to get selected in the US Army. His willpower, he was having a fire in his heart to get selected, but again and again he was getting rejected by the US military because they think that he can't even save himself. So how he can save the people of this country by getting selected in the US military? And he was having a best friend that was his name was Bucky. So Bucky's character is being played by Sebastian Stan, and they both were best friends from the last 17 to 18 years, and Bucky was selected in the US military. So you can say that Captain America was a bit demoralized because his friend was getting selected in the US military and he was not getting selected, and he was knowing that his height is not going to improve, or his height is not going to increase. So he was a bit demoralized, and but he was still trying his best to get selected. And a ray of hope risen in his life by a doctor who was searching for a person who was searching for the qualities, not the abilities. Actually, in military, what we see is they are looking for a physically good person, but the doctor was searching a person who is mentally more fit, and who is having a good leadership skills, who can die for his country, who can give selfless service to the nation, who has certain courage. Because the experiment was, if a person is courageous and if a person is a good person, then the experiment will modify or magnify the effect. If a person is a bad person, then the experiment will magnify that quality. The bad become the worst and the good become the best. So he was actually looking for the good characteristics. So Captain America, or our hero, is getting selected in the experiment, and after the experiment, it was very excruciating pain that he faced at that time in the experiment. So our hero at that time faced the pain and all those mishappenings during the experiment, and after that he was turned into a 6 foot tall, heavy, bulky body Captain America. And after that he fought the World War II, and he made his country win. So what we see, what is the analysis of the part is, I think that the body that you have or the physical characteristics that you possess doesn't define who you really are. The movie is based on that you are what you believe in yourself. It is not what others believe in you, what others think about you. It is always about what you believe. And the main dialogue which he used to always say, after he was beaten to death at the time in World War II, he was again ready to fight and saying that I can do this all day. You see that after beating up so many times and after getting injured so much, after that also he was getting ready and trying to fight again and again and again. So what was there? There was a fire in his heart. And what I will say that in the movie, the best things were the special effects. There were great special effects. The movie was plotted in the time 1940s to 1945, and it was clearly depicting the image that the world must be like that at that point of time. And I must say that Bollywood should learn something from the Hollywood, because in Bollywood what we see that cars are flying and this, there is no physics, and but in Hollywood movies what we see is purely logical, and they always define what they are doing, and they are actually very good at it. So that was all from my side. I think you all must have enjoyed it. Thank you.